Why and how to start a GFRP Rebar manufacturing business. Hello, entrepreneurs and industry enthusiasts. Today, we will elaborate on the exciting chance of glass fiber reinforced polymer GFRP Rebar manufacturing. We will delve into why GFRP Rebar is the alternative for the construction industry, reasons for establishing this industry, its market demand and growth drivers, how to set up your plant, a huge expansion opportunity. Overview of GFRP Rebar. GFRP Rebar is a game-changer alternative to traditional steel within the concrete area. It has high corrosion resistance, is lighter, and has longer life than steel. The material is becoming increasingly popular across a range of applications from bridges and highways to marine structures and buildings. Reasons to start a GFRP Rebar manufacturing industry. Times rising demand. The construction sector is adopting GFRP Rebar on account of its numerous advantages. Time sustainability. Components made of GFRP Rebar are on the green building radar and easy on the eye of the eco-conscious. Times durability. Because of its corrosion resistance, structures built with it tend to last longer while being easier to maintain. Times versatility. GFRP Rebar can be used from infrastructure to residential buildings. Market demand and opportunities. The global GFRP Rebar market is expected to grow fast nowadays. Meanwhile, here are some salient points. Development forecast for market from 2022 to 2030. Times the global GFRP Rebar market should expand at a sequential annual rate of growth of 6.8% from 2022 to 2030. Times the market should reach a valued worth of $1.25 billion by 2030. Key benefits. 1. Infrastructure put in place. Governments all over the world sink money into infrastructures that involve strong construction materials. 2. Corrosion considerations. GFRP Rebar must confer tremendous value for its corrosion resistance in harsh environments and coastal areas. 3. Cost effectiveness. It is easy to argue that GFRP Rebar looks expensive, but constant maintenance is where one would reap the benefits. 4. Advances in technology. Other ongoing developments improve upon the GFRP Rebar in terms of properties and norms in the mode of manufacture, machinery and equipment. To start this industry, you will need 1. Pultrusion machine. 2. Fiber creel stands. 3. Resin impregnation system. 4. Preforming guides. 5. Heating die. 6. Pulling system. 7. Cutting saw. 8. Quality control equipment. Manufacturing process. The GFRP Rebar manufacturing involves 1. Fiber preparation. Glass fibers are lined up and fed into a rod pulling machine. 2. Resin impregnating. The fibers are soaked in thermosetting resin. 3. Shaping. The impregnated fibers are fed through guides to build a structure. 4. Curing. The materials are pulled through a hot die for curing. 5. Cutting. The continuous rebar is cut into desired lengths. 6. Surface treatment. For improved bonding to concrete. Opportunities for new startups. 1. Niche markets. Focus on specific applications like marine construction or bridge rehabilitation. 2. Custom solutions. Offer tailor-made GFRP Rebar for unique project requirements. 3. Value-added services. Provide design consultation and installation support. 4. Research and development. Innovate new GFRP compositions for enhanced properties. Growth drivers. 1. Increasing awareness. Growing awareness of the benefits of GFRP Rebar among engineers and contractors will boost the uptake of this technology. 2. Stringent building codes. More rigorous regulations favoring corrosion-resistant materials will present greater demand. 3. Aging infrastructure. Demand for rehabilitation of existing structures allows for increased potential use of GFRP Rebar. 4. Sustainability goals. The eco-friendly nature of GFRP Rebar involves a natural synergy with global initiatives for sustainability. With the phenomenal growth of the GFRP Rebar industry in prospect, it is a golden opportunity for entrepreneurs to get themselves established in the construction materials sector. This is one of the inescapable periods we have to watch out for those already with a niche business of construction materials backed by growing demand, technological advancement, and increased push for sustainable building practices. The key to this industry's success is not just the capital that can easily be acquired these days, but knowledge and a strategic outlook. This is where NPCS becomes your trustworthy partner, assisting you from scratch in establishing your GFRP Rebar manufacturing unit. Go ahead and reach out to NPCS to help you get onto this exciting industry, and let's take your entrepreneurial spirit and transform this feeling into a profit-making GFRP Rebar manufacturing. How NPCS can assist you. Establishing GFRP Rebar manufacturing is no easy task. One has to meticulously plan with the requisite expertise and experience in place. This is where Near Project Consultancy Services, NPCS, provides the desired assistance. NPCS offers complete support for entrepreneurs ready to seize on this promising sector. Our services include market survey, in-depth market analysis to enable you to assess the demand, competition, and potential opportunities. Detailed techno-economic feasibility report. It covers various aspects pertaining to setting up the GFRP Rebar manufacturing plant, detailed with manufacturing process elaboration, market research findings, flow sheet diagrams, product mix recommendations, machinery specifications, raw material requirements, project financials as a whole. NPCS is into industrial project consultant services that guide clients in project feasibility and decision-making. In this regard, our detailed project reports and a business plan will thoroughly provide with all the information needed for a successful GFRP Rebar manufacturing venture. Thank you for watching, and if you want to know more, you can reach out to us.